Hello students, we are going to start our exercise 3.7. In that the first sum is the student of the school planned for a tree planting event and they targeted for 2500 saplings. Till the evening they planted 2375 saplings. How many more saplings were to be planted? So in this the students of the school planned for a plant a saplings. Now sapling means a small plant or the young plant that we plant. So they targeted for the 2500 saplings and till the evening they had planted 2375 saplings. So how many saplings are remaining to be planted that we have to find. So we will solve this. As you can see there is not enough space, so we will solve with the help of our book. So I have written the example and see the solution. Total number of saplings. How many total number of saplings are there? That is 2500. And number of saplings to be planted. How many saplings they had planted till the evening? That is 2375. That is 2375 I have written here. As we have to find the number of saplings are remaining, so we will perform the minus operation. So after that number of saplings to be planted that we have to find. So starting from the ones place, 0 minus 5 possible, as the first number is smaller than 5, so we can't subtract it directly. So we will move to next. As there is also 0, we can't take it 1, so we will move to next. Here is 5, so it can give us 1. So if 5 give us 1, how many will remain? 4, and here will be 10. Now this 10 can give us 1. Yes, so we will take 1 from it. That means here will be 9 and here will be 10. So now this 10, now first number is bigger than second one. Yes, so subtraction will be possible. So count after 5 up to 10. After 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. How many? 5. So answer is 5. 9 minus 7. First number is bigger than second. Yes, so subtraction will be possible. After 7, 8, 9. 2, so you have I have written over here 2. Now 4 minus 3, how many? 1, so 1. And 2 minus 2, if same number is subtracted, the answer will be 0, that we have seen in the property. So how many saplings are remain to be planted? 125. So how will you write the answer? You will take the last sentence of the example. Instead of how many, you will write the answer, that is 125. 125 saplings were to be planted. That this way you can write the answer in words. In second sum, the second sum is, in the national park there were 1763 birds. 135 birds flew away after winter. How many birds are left in the park? So the example is, in national parks total number of birds are given, that is 1763. In that some birds, that is 135 birds flew away after winter season. So how many birds are left in the park that we have to find. So in solution, total number of birds. How many total number of birds? 1763 birds are there. From that, how many flew away? 135 birds flew away. So as the 135 is a 3-digit number, we will start writing it from the ones. So 5 is on ones place, 3 is on tens, and 1 is on 100, this way. So we have to find how many birds left. So we will do the subtraction. So starting from the ones place, 3 minus 5. Possible, first number is bigger than second? No. So we will take the borrow from it next. Next is 6. If it is give us 1, how many will remain here? 5. So 5 I have written here over here, and here will be 13. So now subtraction will possible. So count after small up to big. After 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. How many? 8. So I have written over here 8. 5 minus 3. Count after small up to big. After 3, 4, 5. That is 2. 7 minus 1. Count after small up to big. After 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So your answer is here 6. 1 minus nothing is there. If nothing is there, we will assume here as a 0. So 1 minus 0 is 1. So your answer is 1628. So how many birds are left there? Number of birds to be left are 1628. So you will write the answer as, instead of how many I told you, instead of how many, you will write the answer. So 1620. So you will write the answer as, therefore 1628 birds are left in the park. This way. So move to the next, third sum. Nisha's mother makes candle at home and sell them. She has made 4,350 candles and sold 3,120 candles. How many candles are left with her? So example is, Nisha's mother makes candle at her home and sell them. Her business is to make the candles at home. So she made 4,350 candles, and in that she sold 3,120 candles. So how many candles are left, that we have to find. So I hope you can solve these sums, as this sum is as we have seen in the previous two sums. So I hope you can solve this. The fourth sum is, 4,500 packets of milk were loaded in a truck. 1,475 packets were delivered in one shop and 1,950 packets in another shop. How many packets were left in the truck? So in that example, how the number of milk packets are given. So total number of milk packets are 4,500. So these packets are loaded in a truck. From that packets, 1,475 packets are delivered in one shop and 1,950 packets are given to the another shop. So how many milk packets are left in the truck, that we have to find. So from the above example, I have written the given information, that is total number of milk packets are 4,500. Packets delivered in one shop is 1,475 and packets delivered in another shop is 1,950. Number of packets that are left in the truck, that we have to find. So I have given here question mark. So for that, as we have to find the number of packets left in the truck, so what we will do, we will add the number of packets are delivered. So first shop given 1,475 milk packets and another shop given 1,950 packets. So we will add this together. So 5 plus 0, starting from 1's place, 5 plus 0, 5. 7 plus 5, after 7 you will have to count 5 numbers. So after 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So 2 and carry over goes to 1 to the next number. 4 plus 9. 4 plus 9, count after 4 up to 9 fingers. So after 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. 13 plus 1 carryover is 14. So your answer is 14. You will write 4 in the answer place and give 1 as a carryover to the next. So 1 plus 1 is 2. 2 plus 1 is 3. So total number of packets are delivered are 3,425. Now we have to find how many packets left in the truck. So what we will do, we will subtract this number from the total number of packets. So from 4,500 we will subtract the number of packets that are delivered. So 4,500 minus 3,425. Arrange the given numbers in the place value chart column and subtract it. So starting from the ones place, 0 minus 5 possible? No. So what we will do, we will go to the next for the borrow. Here is also 0, so it cannot give us anything, right? So we will move next. 5 is here, so it can give us 1. Yes, so we will take 1 from it. So how many will remain here? 5 minus 1, that is 4. And now this 1 become here 10. So now this 10 give us 1 to the ones. Yes, so 10 minus 1 is 9, and 110 is become 10 minus 5. So count after small number up to big number. After 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, that is 5. So 5, 9 minus 2, first number is bigger than second. Yes, so subtraction will be possible. After 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So how many? 7. So 7 is there. 4 minus 4, same number is subtracted from each other, so answer will be 0. 4 minus 3, how many? 1. So you got the answer is 1075. So you will write the answer as, instead of how many, answer is 1075 packets were left in the truck. You will write the answer in the words like this. Okay. Next, last sum, fifth sum is, a box contains 5700 marbles and another box contains 2019 marbles. Some marbles were removed from both the boxes and they added to 3758. How many marbles are left in the boxes? So two boxes are there. One box contains 5700 marbles. So number of marbles in one box is 5700. In second box, that is another box, contain number of marbles in another box is 2019. So how many total number of marbles? So we will put plus sign. For the total number of marbles, we will make the addition of both two numbers. So starting from the ones, 0 plus 9 is 9. If any number is added to 0, answer will be the same number. So 9. 0 plus 1 is 1. 7 plus 0 is 7. And 5 plus 2, count after 5 up to 2 fingers. So 5, 6, 7. So 7. So total number of marbles is how many? 7719. So total number of marbles are 7719 are the total number of marbles from that two boxes. Now, how many marbles are removed from that? That is 3758 marbles are removed from that both the boxes. So we will write it as 3758 marbles are removed. So how many number of marbles left? For that we will do the subtraction. So we will put minus sign, and first we will arrange the given numbers in place value chart column. So ones, tens, 100, and then 1000. Starting from the ones place, 9 minus 8, first number is bigger than second, subtraction is possible. So after 8, 1, that is 9. So answer is 1. 1 minus 5, possible. First number is bigger than second, no. So subtraction will not be possible. So we will take borrow from its next number. Its next is 7. 7 can give us 1. So how many remain here? 6. And here will be 11. So now first number is bigger than second number. Yes. So subtraction will be possible. So after 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. How many? 6. So we will write over here 6. 6 minus 7. Possible? First number is bigger than second? No. So subtraction will not possible. So we will go to next and take a borrow. If 7 give us 1, how many will remain here? 6. And here will be 16. Now first number is bigger than second? Yes. So subtraction will possible. So count after small up to big. After 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. How many? 9. So we will write over here 9. And 6 minus 3, possible? Yes. So subtraction is count after 3 up to 6. After 3, 4, 5, 6. How many? 3. So number of marbles left are 3961. So you will write the answer in words as, instead of how many, put the answer, that is therefore 3,961 marbles are left in the boxes. This way you can solve the exercise. I hope you understand the sums that we have solved.